Okay, let's continue the part two. Talking about the market auction. Before we are jumping to the chart, I need to remind you what is the market auction. So, is it already in Russian, or is it only look like Russian? I mean, like it's only like English, but wrote in Russian.
Oh, I see. No, it's not. It's not actually in Russian.
It's
It.
English, but right in
I don't know what kind of language is this, but
oh, really?
something messed up. So I was thinking it's German.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
okay, actually, I pulled
Uh,
this one from the ChatGPT, and I asked the ChatGPT to put saying market auction, but in Russian language, and
oh
this is
yeah.
what happened.
But it did well. I mean, I can clearly see that some of these guys are Russians. They have their
Uh,
national traditional costumes.
okay.
Girls. Yeah.
So anyway, so if you remember that I say to you that the everything is based on the auction. You know, the price is going up and going down because of this. So if somebody willing to pay higher, then the price will be going up so much higher. When nobody, when the seller want to sell, so but the buyer is less, the price will be going down. So in everything, in daily life, our daily life, the market was built, is always built by negotiation. So it built by the, let me write it for you. So built by the demand. Oh, it's very bad. And the supply. So the demand will always want to buy. The supply will always want to sell. So the price is always built by this. The price can be, let's say you have you want to sell, I don't know, here in the picture, let's say he wanted to sell what here, the picture or the antique, right? So this is the object. So he's actually the brokers, not the sellers. The seller is not in here, right? So, but when they put the display in here, that means the owner want to sell this object, right? And then the buyers, all of the buyers, if they want to buy, to get this one, they will bid. We call it bid. The seller will do the offer. So people who want to sell, they will offer the price, and people who want to buy is always naturally bid, negotiate the price.
So who's gonna pay more, right?
Yeah. Not only that one. Let's say if the let me change the color to make it easier. Let's say the offer, they want to sell $100. Oh, it's more here. It's worse. Colors. Let's make it thicker. Let's say the seller want to sell $100, and the bid, the buyer want to negotiate at 95. So if something like this, yeah. So this is the buyer, this is the seller. So there is a gap. they call it spread. So $5 spread. Change it. So between this, there is a spread is $5. Right. So there is no negotiation in here. I mean, sorry, there is no transaction in here because the seller still offering, the buyer is negotiating. The transaction will be done when either the buyer willing to pay more or the seller willing to sell it less to meet the demand of the buyer. So either the seller hit the bid, which is like they cancel the price and then sell it in 95. So the transaction will be done. Or the buyer aggressively increase the price. Right? I need you to remember this one first, and then you need to translate this one first, because after this, it's going to be more complex to explain about this one. So,
Okay.
So far you understand about this one, right?
Yeah, understand.
Okay.
Let's go. Дело в том, что маркет, то есть рынок, он формируется из спроса и предложения. И люди, например, предлагают продать антиквариат. Есть вот люди слева, да, вот эти вот demand, которые хотят купить этот товар. И, например, продавец хочет продать $100 и устанавливает цену, оффер в $100 делает. Ему предлагают купить за $95. И здесь как бы человек должен, либо продавец должен снизить цену, либо покупатель должен увеличить цену до $100. So I think that's it, actually.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So
I hope
I
I
want
didn't...
to, yeah.
No, I
So yeah.
didn't.
Okay. So yeah. So I want to start with this because this is the most important to understand, because like a lot of people want to jump how to trade, but they don't know what they trade. So if you remember when I saw you, there is stock, right? And then also have bond, commodity, and so on, so on, so on. Everything are built with this kind of the transaction. There is always a buyers and there is always a sellers. So can you imagine if the seller won 100, but the buyer only won $70. So before we have 100 and 95. This is only $5 spread. But here have $30 spread. If you see something like this, if the transaction done, either the seller want to meet this one because they desperately want to sell, or the buyer want to hit this one, you will see the price will be high like this, or it's going to be like suddenly it's going to drop like this. Because what? Because the seller, the price is dropped because the seller want to sell whatever the buyer want, whatever the buyer willing to pay. But the other side, the price will be like this and then going up. It is because the buyer aggressively want to buy higher and higher, following the seller. Just same like in the coffee. Remember Masca? Before the COVID, it's nothing. Nobody care about Masca, right? But because of the COVID, and a lot of people, not only because they're afraid of the COVID, but it's because the forced by the government to use the masker.
Moscow? Sorry. What is it?
Masker.
Moscow?
Masker. The
Okay.
masker. During the COVID, you put on your mouth, on your face, half the face. What does that
Oh,
mean?
Moscow, you put it on your face.
Yeah,
You mean?
masker. Yeah. So yeah, during the COVID, before the COVID, the masker, it's nothing. It's very cheap. Nobody care about the masker. So let me repeat that. But during the COVID, because of people afraid about the COVID and the government push, have a regulation that everyone need to use the masker, then all of the buyers willing to pay higher. So that's why the price is going up like this. But after the COVID finish, the seller who still have the stock, they need to sell it, right? After they produce, they need to sell it. Because there is no demand, or the demand only want to pay, cheap price. From the high price, they sell it lower because they need to sell it. So this is the transaction. So the price after this, it's going like this. If you see the price of the mask. Okay.
Yeah.
From here, can you explain first?
Yeah, sure. Can we have the last you were drawing on the last pages? Can we see it again or no?
I
you
think
control Z that?
I think already. Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. I'm
Okay,
sorry
no,
for that.
no
All
matter.
right.
No matter. That's fine.
Okay, this one, right? Talking about if the price.
Yeah, but it was just yeah.
That's better like this.
No, you don't have to. That's fine. I mean,
All right.
okay. Anyway.
All right. Okay. So you can move your cursor also if you want.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can I? I've never used Zoom before because.
Okay. If you see on the left.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I see.
Yeah,
Got
you
it.
can.
So, that's
And
fine.
you can,
Cool.
yeah, you can make a drawing.
Окей. В общем, идея в том, что рынок, он формируется из спроса и предложения. И формируется из того, что люди готовы предложить за тот или иной товар, какую сумму. И за какую сумму продавец готов продать этот товар. И поэтому мы видим то, что вот эти графики акций условно могут идти прямо, затем вверх, потом вниз. И это как раз-таки из-за того, что во время высокого спроса, например, во время ковида, огромный спрос формируется на маски, и, разумеется, покупатель готов заплатить за эту маску больше. Но как только ковид заканчивается, и у продавцов огромное количество этих масок, ему нужно их продать. И тогда цена падает вниз, и продавцы уже готовы продать чуть ли не за любую сумму, лишь бы избавиться от этих масок. Это тот момент, когда цена падает. Грубо говоря, идея в том, что все формирует спрос и предложение. So, yeah.
Right. Okay. So that is about the market auction, because before we jump, I like to, to make you really understand about why the market up and why the market is going down. How the chart, it's very bullish, which is like going up very fast, or the chart it's very bearish, which is always going down. This is what happened in the market. So after that, we will look at the chart. But I choose, to start it from the history first, and then we go in this one. Because before the chart, before people have no chart, no computer, they use like this. They use just a book and then writing the price, you know, what is the next price? If the price is going up, they will put it. And then after that, they create the chart. So the chart based on the transaction first, and then they make a chart. Some people just join on the chart, just want to jumping on the chart and learning about the chart, but they don't understand. And then they thinking like, why the price is going up and going down? They don't understand anything. So
Can I
that's,
translate that?
yeah.
Sorry, I interrupted you. I'm sorry. I was thinking you stopped, but can I translate that?
Yeah, sure.
Дело в том, что Руби объясняет это для того, чтобы мы понимали самые основы вообще рынка и самых-самых основ, самого фундамента. Потому что некоторые люди залетают в трейдинг и думают о чартах, о том, как они взлетают вверх-вниз, но при этом не понимают, а почему цена идет вверх, а потом вниз, и почему у чарта такое вот волнообразное движение. So that's it.
Okay. Yeah. Let me share. Right. This one. So explain a little bit. Okay. Here, you don't need to really understand right now, but it's very easy to think about it. So here, the copy of what call it it's called doom, which is means depth of the market. You don't have to worry about it. But actually, this is the transaction. This is the bid. Remember what I said? This is the ask or offer. And then this is the price. The middle is the price. And then this one is the number, how many people or how many contract, how many contract they want to sell. And this is how many contract people want to buy and on that price, on what price. So, for example, it's like this. In the Birza, in the exchange, there are 100 or million of the contract owned by many people, many institutions, not only one, right? So have a price in here, and you can freely to put your order. Let's say that you want to have 5 contracts, so maybe in here. Yeah, just don't worry about this one first. Just we focus on here.
Yeah.
So this is the number of the contract at 1.2644 have 160 to contract, and the next one 155, and so on. This is people who are willing to sell on what price, and here is people who are willing to buy. So people who are willing to buying, they put the order in here. So at this one, how much people want? 178 contract for this price. And the next price is for this price. And so on, and so on, and so on. So the price will be going up only if you see this one. This one is 32, right? The price is going up only if this buyer or any of the buyers here, they move in here. They cancel the order, so this one is 32. So let's say the 75 contract, they cancel this one, and then they buy at 72. I mean like 32 contract. So they take this one. Once they take this one, the price is going up to here. So still have 75. So 75 minus 32, that means how much? 33. So after 75, buying 32, have 33 left. This 33 need to subscribe this one, because this one price will be gone. So this is the auction, right? So before too far, can you explain for that, please?
Yeah, sure. Здесь мы видим, I forgot how it calls depth of the market.
Yes, depth of the market.
It means like depth, which means like deep.
DEP. Let's call it deep of the market. So we're using a depth of the market.
Depth. Yeah. I mean, it's like it means like the глубина. Seems like it's глубина in Russian.
Yeah.
I think so. Это то, что называется глубиной рынка. Здесь мы можем видеть предложения, за которые люди готовы купить ту или иную акцию, и предложение о продаже той или иной акции. Грубо говоря, здесь мы видим цену этих акций и количество, грубо говоря, мы видим цену этих акций. А здесь мы видим контракты, готовые купить за эту цену. То есть продать за эту цену, pardon. Can I try again?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, sorry. Вот эта штука называется глубиной маркета, глубиной рынка. То есть, грубо говоря, справа мы видим тех людей и те контракты, которые готовы купить тот или иной вид товара. В данном случае, например, акции. А здесь люди готовы, точнее, люди готовы... Fuck, again, sorry. Again. Здесь мы видим глубину маркета, то есть глубину рынка. И справа мы видим людей, готовых продать ту или иную акцию или тот или иной вид товара, в данном случае акции, за ту или иную цену. А здесь мы видим количество контрактов, готовых, ну, то есть людей, готовых и контрактов, готовых заплатить ту или иную цену. Грубо говоря, здесь мы видим количество контрактов, готовых купить за, точнее, продать за вот эту цену. То есть 32 контракта готовы продать за там 2643. А это слева мы видим 75 контрактов, готовых купить за вот эту цену, которая немного ниже, чем цена, которую предлагает продавец. Для того, чтобы цена повысилась на этот вид товара, да, или для того, чтобы она повысилась, нужно сделать так, чтобы вот эти все сделки были закрыты. То есть вот эти 32 сделки. И, допустим, отсюда 75 человек берет и закрывает 32 этих контракта. Это получается то, что цена пошла вверх. Потому что вот этот уже position, эта позиция, она закрыта. So, that's it.
So this one. Okay.
I confused selling and buying from the beginning.
Yeah,
so.
That's okay. So if everyone trying to chase any price and can take all of the orders of this, so the price is going up. In the reverse, the price will be going down when the seller give up this position. You know, like, so this 33, they say, okay, I cannot wait. I want to cash it now, because like this one, you know, doesn't want to take this one, and nobody want to take this one. Nobody want to jump. So if this guy saying that, okay, I want to sell everything, so it's sell it to here, right? Which is, after that, they still have 33 demand left after 32, right? This price is gone and meet this one. So now this one need to go down. right?
Yeah.
To fill all of this one. If all of these people trying to sell it, because for whatever reason they want to sell it, the price will be going down. So this is the reverse. And after that, I will explain a little bit more.
Yeah. Есть также обратная ситуация, когда could you
Yeah, sorry.
yeah, no problem. Также есть обратная ситуация, разумеется, когда получается так, то, что цена падает. Цена падает в том случае, если, например, вот этот человек, разместивший, да, 32 контракта на продажу, решает то, что, блин, мне надо продать сейчас и поскорее. И он тогда продает за вот эту цену, и этот контракт, соответственно, когда он продает все 32, закрывается. И тут еще и остается, ну, то есть 32 он закрыл, да, а от 75 еще предложения остались. И для того, чтобы теперь вот этим людям всем продать, вот этим, им теперь нужно тоже снижать свою цену, соответственно. Вот эту позицию им надо занимать. И это тогда тот момент, когда цена падает. И она может падать очень долго. Если предложение, точнее, если предложение будет превышать спрос.
Right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Great. So now we'll jump to the chart. Let me change it to here. Maybe I can join this one. So, how about this? Can you see two chart?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So it's okay. Actually, okay. Wait. Right. This one is Apple. Yeah. And this one is actually it's chart for like the dome, which is like this is we call it dome, tip of market or dome. This is the dome for British pounds. So it's nothing to do with the Apple, but just imagine this one is Apple, right?
Yeah.
So here the chart. Don't worry about the chart. Don't worry about the color right now. Here the chart, and here the volume, right? The price is going up. It's because people are willing to buy higher and higher and higher. And then the price is going down because people willing to sell, and the buyer want to renegotiate on the lower price. And the sellers trying to sell whatever the buyer want to buy. And then the price stop like this because the buyer, the seller stop following the buyer, and the buyer trying to buy. So this is what we call it reversal. So this one is also reversal because in here, the price is going up. After that, the buyer trying, the buyer stopped trying to, following the offer, the seller price, and then the seller finally want to give whatever the buyer want to pay. So the price is going down like this. So this is the reversal, and this is, we call it reversal or turning. So that's what happened when the price is going up, and that's what happened when the price it stopped moving up or moving down. Yeah, you can explain this one, please.
Okay. So you call it reverse, right? So when
Reversal.
reversal.
Yeah, reversal. Yes.
Reversal.
Or
And this one
turning
is
point. That's fine.
okay. And this one, when it's going up,
Yeah.
it's also reversal.
Yeah. Reversal is like reverse is going from down like this, from down to up. It's mean reverse, you know, it's turning
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Up, it's going down.
Okay, no problem. Сейчас то, что мы видим на чарте, грубо говоря, это отражение того, что происходит вот здесь. То есть, почему цена падает, да, в какой-то момент? Это потому что здесь продавец пытается угодить, да, покупателю и закрывает очень много позиций. То есть он закрывает одну, другую, третью, четвертую, желая продать акции, и, соответственно, цена падает вниз. А затем в какой-то момент рынок немного устаканивается, да, грубо говоря. И здесь, just a sec, в какой-то момент рынок достигает какого-то дна, и происходит так называемый реверс, то есть обратка, да. И в этот момент продавец уже начинает не угождать и не следовать за продавцом, а покупатель, наоборот, хочет купить как можно больше, и, соответственно, он повышает цену, закрывая все больше позиций и повышая таким образом цену на акцию, на товар. И это то, что тоже называется реверсом. Did I miss something? I think no.
No. Yeah. Okay. Right. So now you understand why the price is going up, why the price is going down, and also now you have a, you know, you already have the illustration why the price is stopped going down and why the price is stopped going up and become going down. So, you know, if you see anything in your life, in the market, the price is sometimes going up very fast. And then after that, they drop it very fast also. That's because the transaction of the negotiation, the auction. So that's why it's up and down, because they make a deal. Either because of the fundamental of other things, you know, but the one you don't have to know, because like we are not economists, we are the traders. So now let me jump to the chart, to the detail of the chart. But before that one, I need to explain one little things, who we are. So there is two types of the people in here. The first one is investor. Oops, oh, come on, please. Let me do it. Investor. This is the first one. And then the second one, this is trader. The investors, you know, talking about very short time, because you are investing. For example, like you buying the land and you believe, you know, the land will be very good. Remember when, you know, we see the land, the Simlia, and you say to me like, oh, will be good. The price in future will be going up because the government built the toll road, build the public facility, you know. If you believe that land will be expensive, then you do invest, but you not sell it for tomorrow. Because you see the future 3 years or 5 years or either more. You can see maybe next year or few months, but still you don't care if the prices suddenly go down and then going up and then going down. And because what you see, you know, your goal is the business, not the price. If the business, of course, we will see the price, but for the long term, right? Or you are thinking like, oh, I have friend, have a restaurant, open the restaurant. The restaurant, the price may be just stay like this. But when you put the money, you got the dividend. Dividend, it means like when they make a profit, let's say that you put 30%, you will get 30% profit sharing. So that is investment. Okay. Can you explain that one first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. Should I tell about? No. Okay.
No,
Anyway.
just this one in investment. Differ between investment traders.
Okay. Вообще существует два типа людей, представленных на этом рынке. Это инвестор и трейдер. Грубо говоря, инвестор заинтересован в том, чтобы инвестировать долгосрочно в какие-то акции, в какие-то товары или в какие-то прибыльные бизнесы. И он уверен в том, что это в будущем ему принесет деньги. Например, он покупает, допустим, какую-нибудь землю, да? Соответственно, цена на эту землю, она, конечно, повышается и падает, но ему не интересно, потому что в долгосрочной перспективе он планирует там в течение 3, допустим, или 5 лет продать, соответственно, эту землю и выйти в плюс. А вот эти все колебания рынка его не особо беспокоят. Также есть другой вариант, да, при котором, например, ваш друг решил заниматься ресторанами, и вы вкладываетесь в его бизнес, да, и, соответственно, вы получаете с этого дивиденды, да, то есть вы изначально берете и договариваетесь о том, что вы получите там условно 30% от прибыли, и вы эти деньги вытаскиваете, а потом еще и в дальнейшем выходите в плюс. Вот это называется инвестирование. И такие люди — это инвесторы. So, that's it.
Now, the traders, which is I'm gonna teach you how become a traders, not the investor, because to doing the investment, you need to study about economic, you need to study about the business, you need to study about a lot of the books, like how much the profit, how much the things. But the traders, it's looking at the opportunity to be either the buyer or the seller. So the price, so this is daily, this is 1 bar, it's 1 day of the Apple. It's going up and down and then going up and down. And if you see, it is just up and down and then going down and then going up very fast. This is the type of the traders, right? So the traders only try to find the opportunity to buy and then to sell it. So just between this one. You don't care about 5 years, you don't care about, the government gonna build what was it? The government is gonna build the facility or not. But let's say you have friend talk to you, hey Islam, I want to buy Zimlia. I want to buy the land where next to your house. And then he said it, you asked him like, how much the budget? Oh, my budget is 50,000 US dollars. And then if the land next to you only 5,000 US dollars, 45,000 US dollars, you will take this and you will sell it because you just want the profit between here to here. You're not thinking, oh, 5 years is gonna be like 100,000. Maybe I can sell it. No, it's different. This is investment, but the traders, you're doing this. Or another way around, let's say you have a land for 50,000. right? And you want to sell it because you need the money very urgently. Maybe you want to move from your country or you want to buy something, right? But you need to liquidate your things. You cannot wait. You sell it to here. You're not thinking about, oh, my line in the 10 years is gonna be 100,000, gonna be better, if I can wait for one. No, because you want to sell it now. You sell it now, even you lose, 20,000 US dollars, but you want to sell it now, then you just liquidate because you want money, not the asset. So that's why the trading, you will make money when you can sell it higher, but you're gonna lose when you are need to sell it in the lower price.
Окей.
Right?
Но то, чему учит Руби, это не инвестирование, а трейдинг. Это быстрая покупка и быстрая продажа. То есть трейдер зарабатывает на вот этих колебаниях рынка. Когда цена, разумеется, низкая, он покупает, продает подороже. Когда цена дорогая, он продает и покупает дешевле. То есть, грубо говоря, на простом примере можно объяснить, например, на примере, опять же, земли. Да? То есть если кто-то из ваших знакомых говорит о том, что он хочет купить за 50 тысяч долларов землю, и вы знаете то, что и он хочет как раз-таки купить в вашем районе, далеко от вас, и вы знаете то, что в соседнем, как раз-таки соседний участок продается за 45 тысяч долларов, вы берете и покупаете за 45 тысяч долларов и продаете ему за 50. А также может случиться и другая ситуация, которая чуть менее приятна. Например, вам нужно быстро продать дом, да, который у вас там стоит по рынку 50 тысяч долларов, допустим, вы так считаете, да, но вам нужно срочно, например, уехать из страны, и вы готовы продать его за 30 тысяч долларов. Такое тоже случается, но вот, то есть можно на этом и потерять тоже деньги. Поэтому основная цель трейдинга и то, чему учит Руби, это быстрая торговля на колебаниях рынка, купить подороже, купить, точнее, подешевле и продать подороже.
Right? Okay. So don't worry, I can clean it from here. Right. So yeah. So we don't have to be economists. We don't have to be good on finance, but we just need to find the opportunity. And the good thing about trading in this financial market, normal trading, you need to buy first, and then you can sell it, right? But in this business, you can sell it first, and then you buy it. So you don't have to buy first and then sell it, but you can do selling first, then you buy it. Do you know about this?
No, how does it work?
Yeah, but you never know about this one, right?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't know, I think.
All right. Okay.
Or maybe I didn't understand clearly.
No, it's okay. But okay. Here you buy. And then when the price going up, you sell it. But if, let's say right now in here, if you think the price will going down, you can sell it. And then when the price is going down, you can buy it. So you make a profit to going down. This is the beauty of the market. Okay. Buying and selling, it's very easy.
And how can I sell if I didn't buy?
All right. Okay. Explain this one is in Russian, and then I will explain this deeply how to sell it. So this is the beauty of the market. This is the first option, and the second option, you can do it like this.
Окей. Красота маркета заключается в том, рынка, в том, то, что есть один и первый и второй способ заниматься, да, грубо говоря, трейдингом. А первый способ — это мы покупаем подешевле и продаем подороже. И второй способ — это когда мы продаем дороже, а когда цена падает, мы покупаем дешевле.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
For the analogy for number one, it's everybody know. It's very easy. Like you buy low and then you sell it. You know? But how about to sell it first and then you buy after that? Think like this. Let's say this is you. This is me. Right. Let me think about it, how to explain it well. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say like this. Okay. Let's say like this. I'm asking you, I want to have, let's say a car, BMW, right? And I want to buy it for, this is not new one. I want to buy it for 100,000 US dollars. You don't have the car. Someone have the car in here. You don't have the car. You can say to me, okay, I sell to you a BMW for 100,000 US dollars, right? From where? Because you're gonna buy, when you sell to me, you know that you can buy it at this guy, maybe they want to sell it for 90,000 US dollars. So this one, you sell it first, and then you buy to your friend or Zanibek. You know? Let's say Zanibek have BMW, and the price only 90,000 US dollars. So
I'm
you
sorry.
sell it to, yeah.
Could you again repeat? Because 20 seconds, last 20 seconds, I wasn't online. I was.
Okay.
It was my internet was stuttering.
All right. So okay. You want me to explain from the start from here?
No. I understand the start.
Okay. So okay, like this. So I sell. I mean, like you sell to me. You don't have the car yet. You don't have the BMW, but you know someone, can sell it to you at $90. So you sell to me, and then you buy to this guy 90,000 US dollars. So you make the money 10,000. So you sell first without you buying the car, and then you buy the car from the other guy with the lower price. Right? This is the number 2 one. The selling and then the buy. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. That's clear. Okay.
And then the comparison with the first term, which is buying and then selling, it's like this. This is me. I want the car, right? And this is you. And this is the car price. When I ask this one, you buy before this one, you buy this one first. And then you meet me, right? And then you meet me. The price is 100,000 US dollars. So you make the profit after you buy first, and then you sell it. But this one, you sell it first, and then you're looking for the price. You're looking for the car, which is lower than this one. Okay?
Yeah.
Right.
Касаемо... Так, I'll explain the first option,
Yeah,
which is here,
yeah,
because it's pretty simple.
yeah.
Yeah. Первый способ, он как бы самый простой, известный всем, это купить подешевле, да, за 90 тысяч, сначала купить, а потом попытаться продать кому-то, да, или продать кому-то за 100 тысяч. Но здесь мы покупаем, тратим деньги, да, ну, то есть мы покупаем, а затем мы продаем, как только мы встречаем покупателя. Здесь ситуация немного другая. Например, я продавец, и Руби, например, хочет купить BMW за 100 тысяч долларов. Я ему продаю этот BMW за 100 тысяч долларов, а сам ищу, где можно дешевле купить этот BMW, или зная то, что его можно купить за 90 тысяч долларов, я покупаю его за 90 тысяч долларов и продаю Руби и имею 10 тысяч долларов в кармане.
Right. Okay. So why you can doing this one in this market? Why in the reality you cannot doing this one? But also in some of the Bursa, some of the stock exchange, you cannot do it. Like in Indonesia, you cannot sell it first. Because there is two type of contract. First one, talking about the cash. Number one, you're talking about margin. I still looking for the explanation about margin in Russia, but margin is pretty simple like this. You are borrowing the facility of the brokers. Now I want to introduce you what is the brokers. So this is the buyers and this is the sellers. In this market, you cannot transaction just buyer and sellers. All of the transactions is through the brokers, the market.
In
So
the margin types of contracts, right?
yes.
Yeah.
So the broker company, that's why you have to put the money in here. You have to open the account in the brokers so you can be the buyers or you can be the sellers. So this kind of the second type, which is like you can sell it first and then buy, you need margin. You need the margin facility from the buyers, from the brokers. So the brokers will lend you the money for this, right? I need to explain this, and then I will explain about the back to the selling and buyers. Sorry,
Okay.
selling. Oh, sorry. Hang on. I can. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. В некоторых странах невозможно заниматься вторым типом торговли, да, это когда мы сначала продаем, а потом покупаем. Потому что существует два вида контрактов. Один за кэш, то есть за наличку, другой так называемый маржинальная торговля, скорее всего, имелось в виду Руби. Это когда мы выполняем все сделки через брокера. То есть, грубо говоря, все сделки проходят через него, и нам нужно открывать брокерский счет. Это тот момент, когда... So, just a sec, just one question. When you do this type of contracts, it means like you take money from brokers or what?
Yeah, the broker give you the facility, not take money, but give the facility to
Facility.
use their money. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. Just a sec. And again. Грубо говоря, почему нельзя заниматься вторым типом... Окей. Oh my God. I have to again translate that. Как бы дело в том, что вот этот второй тип ведения торговли, где мы сначала продаем, а потом покупаем, не разрешен во всех странах. Да? То есть с этим есть сложности. ну, из-за специфики контрактов. То есть существует два вида контрактов. Это наличные контракты и маржинальная торговля. Маржинальная торговля — это когда мы проводим все сделки через брокеров. И, грубо говоря, для того, чтобы такая сделка состоялась, где я могу продать, а потом купить, мне нужно открыть счет у брокеров. И они дают средства для того, чтобы я мог сначала продать, а потом уже купить. Okay, so I
Right.
hope I explained that.
Okay.
No.
That's okay. We just like this is the brief. Actually, I just want to, you understand that we can sell it. So this is the analogy, okay? So for example,
Мгм.
you know, I buy first, right? If I buy first, I also don't know the price is going up, it's going down, okay? If the price it's going up, then I make money. But if the price is going down, then I lose the money because, I need to sell it. After I buy, I need to sell it. In another side, if I take position, want to sell it first. If I sell it, that's when my contract of selling is this price. That means I need to have, to buy it after that. They call it buyback. If I sell this one, and for example, it's like the BMW that I'm doing. If I sell that one, that's mean my contract is this one, right? So if I want to deliver the car, I need to find the car because I already promised, I already make a contract to sell it at this price. I need to get the product which is lower than this price. So I can buy it, yeah, and then I can make the money because I already sell it. I mean, like I already make a contract at 189 in here. So I need to be lower to make a profit. But if I sell here and then suddenly the price is going up, I need to buy with the losses. For example, it's like this. You promised to sell a car for this one, 189, and you don't know. You just believe that you can find the price lower than that. If you can find the price, or if you know, I mean, like if you can find the price lower, then you make money. But if you cannot find the price, which is like the price is going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, you lose the money because you already make a contract, you already promised to sell it at 189. Then after that, you have to buy something higher. So you receive the money 189, but you need to buy it. You will out at 196. So that's why buying first or selling first still have the risk. But the good thing is in this market, you can sell it. Maybe this is the last session that I want to explain about the selling first and then buy.
Окей. Сейчас Руби нам объясняет то, что как бы и во второй, и в первой опции, да, и в покупке и продаже, а затем покупке есть всегда риски. И, грубо говоря, когда вы соглашаетесь продать за вот эту цену, да, за 189,98, вам нужно сделать деньги. Ну хорошо, если цена упадет вниз, да, и окажется в этом диапазоне, то вы действительно сделаете деньги, да, купив эту, условно, машину до BMW за 180 и продав за 189,98. Но цена также может полететь вверх, да, и, например, цена может улететь на позицию там $196, да, и вам придется продать, точнее купить эту BMW все равно за $196, и как бы риски всегда есть и в том, и в другом виде торговли.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the last session for the buying and selling. So before all of this, let's try, we jump for, what is the chart? Okay, the chart, the investor, if they invest in here at, early 2000, right? Can you see the, on the bottom one, this one? This one is 24 March of 2020. Islam, you there?
Yep, I can see.
Okay.
My mic was
Yeah.
off. Let's see.
So, okay. I'm using the, what do you call it? Trading View. Maybe you are familiar with this one. So let's open the Apple, right? So back to 2020, the price is only 59. Ooh, can you imagine? Now it's already $189. Of course, it's already adjusted. The price is adjusted, but this is, the investor, it's looking for the long run, but the traders, it's not. They're always looking for the opportunity, you know, where to buy and where to sell, or where to sell and then where we can to buy back, something like that. So that is different. If you want to explain it a bit, because we want to jump by that.
Yeah, sure. Как бы сейчас Робби говорит об инвесторах и отличиях между трейдерами. То есть, грубо говоря, инвестор 25 марта 2020 года мог взять себе акцию Apple за $58 53 цента. И спустя 4 года сейчас эти акции стоят почти $190. Но трейдер не ищет долгосрочного инвестирования, он ищет возможности для того, чтобы сделать на вот этих скачках прибыль, да, то есть, грубо говоря, купить дешевле, продать подороже. И он ищет возможности для того, чтобы получить прибыль как можно скорее в краткосрочной перспективе. That's it.
Okay.
Yep.
Now, what is the chart? Okay. We call it time chart.
You call it what?
Sorry about it. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
You call it pancha?
yeah, we have a time chart. We have two type of time.
Okay.
We have two type of chart, right? Need to understand about this one first. Oops, why it's going this? Hey, sorry about that. Okay. Okay, what is the chart? There is a time base. Oops, sorry. Chart. And price base, or I call it non-time base chart. The time chart, we will discuss on the time chart first, and then we will discuss another time about the non-time based chart. So basically it's like this. This is a very classical kind of the chart, which is bar chart. I don't explain about the candle chart first, but this is the bar chart, because this is the very basic one. Bar chart have the body, which is this one, and have the right one like this. This is called body. And then on the right side like this, it is called close price. And have the left one. But in my chart, I erase this one. This one, open. Right? Have a body, close, and open. And I will explain what this. Islam, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Окей. Это называется бар-чарт. Это самый первый, самый такой примитивный базовый чарт со времен начала там всей этой темы, то есть со времен начала трейдинга, я так понимаю. И, грубо говоря, здесь значит то, что вот это боди или тело, да, то есть сама вот эта штука, прямая линия. Вот это закрытие, а вот это открытие. So it means that the close means like the selling was closed at that price, and the open it means yeah.
Yeah,
И грубо говоря,
yeah, I'm explaining right now.
Yeah.
So we have, so like I explained, we have open, right? We have the body. Oops. And we have the close, right? So this is Apple. This is stock. This is US company, which is registered in the US market. Right? US stock market.
Yeah.
So US stock market open at 9:30. So this is going to be the open. And close at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. AM, PM is going to be close at New York time.
Yeah.
Right? So
that's what yeah.
Huh?
No, nothing.
Yeah. So the open and the close in here, between the open until it's close, it built the body. Because the price not going straight up or not going straight down. They're going up from the open. They're going up and down and up and down, sometimes up, down, and then close maybe like this. So this become the high and this become the low. So if you see like this and this, you will see this is the high, this is the low of that day, because this is 1 day. See, you see this one? This is 1 day chart. So 1 bar equal from open 9:30 until 4 p.m. And this is the high and the low. And you don't need to see any color. All you see, all you need to see is the close here and the close of the previous one, right? This is the close. And then after that, they close this one. So can you imagine if you don't know the open, but you know the close, it's $100. Yesterday close is $100. And today close, it's $90. That means the chart will open, let's say they open at 100. And then going down, and then the close is, today close is $90. That means the price is going down. The chart is going down. You don't need the color actually, because a lot of chart have a color, but I will train you without the color first. I will train you with the bar chart first, the oldest one. Then I will explain to you about the candlestick. I don't use the candlestick right now. I used to love the candlestick, but I just erase it. I want to have a minimum information, and I used the bar chart. So it's like that. So sorry about this one. I the
So
drawing. Yeah.
that's cool. Okay. What about the open
Yeah.
open
The
price?
open, yeah, the open price in here. I don't use the open price, but I can.
Yeah, but
Just for you, I can
but
open it.
yeah,
Yes.
no problem. I could explain that without the open
All right.
price. I was just a bit confused. I thought that I didn't understand something, but
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Just a sec. Take position. Yeah. Так, мы знаем то, что Apple — это американская компания, которая представлена на американском рынке облигаций, акций и так далее. То есть, грубо говоря, это американская компания, и она работает по нью-йоркскому времени открытия и закрытия торгов. То есть я говорил о том, что есть там open и close, то есть открытие и закрытие, да, в этом бодике, грубо говоря. И вот в 9:30 у нас происходит открытие, да, а в 4:00 p.m., то есть 4 часа дня, у нас биржа закрывается. И в течение этого дня всего цена, разумеется, прыгает. То есть сейчас покажу. Вверх и вниз, вверх и вниз. И для того, чтобы это не отражать, либо отражать это в более простой форме, у нас вот есть вот такой вот бодик, да, такое вот тельце с открытием и закрытием торгов. И вот это вот и есть это тельце, которое показывает цену открытия и на закрытие торгов. Руби сейчас не использует открытие торгов, то есть у него нет опена в этом чарте, по разным, не знаю, по его причинам. Вот. И здесь мы можем видеть то, что условно в 13 да, мая вот цена была вот такой, и закрытие торгов произошло на вот этой цене. То есть, грубо говоря, где-то в районе $182.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So can I clean this one?
I think, did I forget something? I think no.
No. Yeah, that will be fine.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Right. So this is the chart. This is the daily chart. If I change to the weekly chart, the open will be the price at Monday 9:30, and then the close will be Friday, because US stock only trade from Monday to Friday, and this one is 4 p.m. All right.
Yeah.
So this is if we are talking about the weekly chart.
Okay. Сейчас Руби нам показывает недельный чарт, то, что было до этого, это ежедневный чарт, а недельный чарт, он выглядит таким образом, и он открывается в понедельник в 9:30 и закрывается в пятницу в 4 часа дня.
All right. So if I change it to the monthly, like this. So the open will be on the first day, not the first date, but the first day, whatever it is, maybe on 3rd of May, the first day of that month, which is mostly on no, doesn't have to be Monday. This is the first day of that month.
Yeah.
So let's say the first day of the month is Friday, for example. It's the first day will be of this one. And then the closing will be same. The end of the day on the 4th, this is still same, 9:30, but any day on the 1st of that month until on the 4 p.m., any day on the end of that month. So this will be the close.
So yeah, that means that just the first day of new months, except
Yes,
Saturday and Sunday and some holidays, for
correct.
example, Christmas and all that stuff.
Yeah,
And the
but the
same
time
works.
will be same, 9:30.
Yeah, окей, cool. И сейчас нам Руби показывает месячный чарт, и он открывается в первый день месяца, за исключением праздников, да, таких как Рождество, например, там, День независимости в США, различных государственных праздников штатовских, и за исключением субботы и воскресенья. И всегда он начинается в 9:30, а заканчивается он также в 4 часа дня всегда, в последний день месяца, перед праздниками точно так же, либо перед выходными. То есть если месяц заканчивается 28-го, то 28-го это чарт заканчивается, независимо от того, что 29 и 30 это может быть в этом месяце, действительно, в мае, да, 29 и 30, но если эти числа выпали на праздники, то они в этот месяц не входят.
So now I will explain to you another type of chart, which is also the famous one. Try to back. Oops. Try to do this. Same, you will put on the same month, but this one is the candle. Right. So a lot of people, using the candle chart. I don't use it anymore, but what is the candle chart? Let me close the candle chart first, so you can see what it looks like. So, for example, this one, right? I need 2 for the candle chart. This is number 1 chart, number 2 chart. For the number 1, let me copy it like this. Right? Oh, yeah, sorry.
It looks like a board chart, to be honest.
Yeah, let me open this one first.
Yeah.
I need to open one thing. Okay, right. This is good one. Okay, this is good one. So let me repeat. Yeah. The first one. Okay, use this one, the last one first. Right. The last one you can see like this, right? This one the open. This one is the close. Okay.
Yep.
So because the open it's lower than the close, price is going up, right? Yeah. Price is going up, right? Oh, sorry about it. Let me try it again. Why? Oh my God. Just
Yeah, I
let
understand
me,
what you're trying to do.
yeah. Okay, let me do it with, it's better. Okay, like this, right? So this one is the open. This one is the close. Because the open is lower than the close, the
That
price
was
is
a
going
good
up.
day.
Yeah. So the candle chart, the candle chart, hang on. Usually the color will be green.
М,
So you try this one. Why it's green? What the body is between open and the close. So this one is the green like this. So actually you can change it, but what you need to understand, it's why they become green. It's
мгм.
because the price is going up. And how about the other one? Okay, let me use the white one. It's better. The other one, if the price is open in here, and then the close in here, actually, to build the candle chart, you just need same thing. Move this one. Actually, this is the same one. Have to open, have to close, but you make a candle in here. This is going down, right? The open in here, the close in here. So the red candle built because of this one. So that's why, you can see, if you red, that means the open will be on the top here, and the close will be in here. So if like this, for example, it's like this. Right? Let me use the one. This one, the body will be very small. It will be like this. Because the open in here, close in here, right? If we make the candle, it will be still red because open in here, close in here, we make candle like this. And this is the high of that candle, and this is the of the candle. This is high, and the same. So you understand now how to build the chart?
Yep, sure.
Right.
How it goes this type of chart?
What was that?
How does it call this type of charts?
Oh, okay.
Candle chart, right?
Candle. Yes, this one is bar chart, and this one is candle.
Okay, let's go.
Right? Okay.
То есть то, что нам до этого показывали, это были бар-чарты, да? То есть они такого серого цвета, без обозначений. А есть еще candle-чарты, они довольно популярны. Это чарты, в которые отражают разницу между началом торговли в этом дне и концом ее торговли. То есть, грубо говоря, у нас маркет открылся как обычно, да, в 9 часов, или во сколько он открывается? По-моему, в 9. В 9 утра. И в течение этого дня конечная цена, да, она действительно падала, повышалась, падала, но в конечном итоге она оказалась выше той цены, с которой она начиналась. И на этой отметке, да, на высокой, она закончилась. Это получается то, что день был положительный, с положительным результатом для акций, соответственно, он окрашивается в зеленый цвет. И если происходит так, то что там открылось оно на большой, высокой цене, да, допустим, а закрылись чарты в 4 часа дня на цене низкой, то, соответственно, этот день считается таким негативным, что ли. И, соответственно, цена этого чарта становится красной. То есть цена на момент открытия торгов была меньше, чем на момент их закрытия. И другой момент. Вот эти candle-чарты, они показывают самую высокую цену в течение дня торговли, да, и самую низкую, до которой она опускалась. А вот эта вот сама табличка, да, она может быть вот разных размеров, это только обозначение того, во сколько, на какой цене чарт, то есть на какой цене было открытие торгов и на какой цене было закрытие торгов. То есть вот этот чарт отражает это. That's it.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now let me open the two same chart, which is this one. Is this the green one? Because the open in here, the downside, so in the down, and then close in the higher price, so it's become the green. And then the red one like this is the body, because the open in here and the close in here. So whenever you see the chart like this, you already know if it's green, that means the opening here, the close in here, not in here. This is the high, right? Same thing like this, same thing like this. This is the open and this is the close. Not in here, right? So this is the identicals of the chart. Right. Let's explain this, and then after that, the last one for today, I will explain about another chart, the lesson.
Yeah.
In the day chart.
Yeah, but I explained that, but I can explain this again.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Your voice is not coming. Islam?
Oh, the voice is not
Yeah.
coming. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Let's try it again. I already explained that, to be honest. I mean,
Okay.
in the last
All right,
video,
okay.
but I will try to explain it again. There is no
No,
problem.
it's okay. If you already explain it, that's okay. I just want
Yeah.
to double explain. This is
Yeah,
this is
I
how it looks like.
окей, I will double explain it. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
okay.
cool. Здесь Руби нам еще раз объясняет и наглядно показывает то, как выглядят эти чарты. То есть, грубо говоря, в этот день торги начались на вот этой цене, а закрылись они на вот этой отметке. И получается, цена была выше к моменту окончания торгов. Да, здесь мы видим то, что цена на момент начала торгов была вот такой, а закончилась она на такой. То есть получается то, что цена к моменту начала торгов была выше, чем к моменту окончания. Из-за этого оно окрасилось в красный цвет. Другой момент, то, что, как я уже еще раз объяснял, еще раз объясню, то, что вот это цена за весь период торгов. То есть, грубо говоря, вот это самая высокая цена в течение дня, а вот это самая низкая. А вот это уже просто разница в цене между началом и окончанием торгов. That's it.
Okay. Right. Now, for the homework for you and whoever following us, I want. Okay. You will not. I mean, like with the trading view, you need to pay to get the this kind of a dual, like this multi, what do you call it, multi layout like this. You will have only one for the, if you are registering for free for the first one for trying, you will only have one like this, but it's okay. Just save another one, which is what I want you to know. When we go to trading, we will have a daily chart, and we will have the next one is 30-minute chart. So Most people using, normally using 1 hour chart, but I'm using 30-minute chart for the intraday. Actually, I use more. Another one will be 5-minute chart, but I'll explain this. And when you see, okay, blue and red like this on the stock, only on the stock, your stock, it is because, so okay, before that one, it's very good to change this one. This is the time zone. I always change the time, not my local time, but I'll always change it to the
New York.
New York. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see that's
yeah. Because we're trading on the market of the New York, I mean the US market, and they open at New York. So I need to know where is it, right? What time is it now over there? Because if you keep changing it, you will forget. So anyway, so if you see the blue and the orange like this, red, actually this is orange, not red. So the blue shaded and the orange, this means it's out of the market. So if you see this one, ETA, that means extended trading hours. If I change it to regular trading hours, it's only like this. So this one, the grid line is opening, right? Opening of this one. But I like to see the extended, which is like, this is before the market open. So they have the transaction. Yeah.
In the orange color. This is
Yeah,
one
on the orange color. Yeah. Yeah, the orange color, if before the market open on this day. The blue, actually the evening. So they call it this in morning price. This is evening price, which is like after the close. After the close, before the change of the date.
Oh.
Yeah, something like this. So see, so they have this one, right? So this is the close. The close is here. So close is this part. See, 5:30, and then close at 4 o'clock. This is the close one. Then gone. And after that, open at 9:30. 9:30 open. This is before the market. So yeah. So that's why in here, that's why in here you can see the gap. This is what they call it, the gap. This is the close, and then this is the next open. Why? Because it's close in here, and then the next day open in here. See?
Oh, that's
yeah.
it's just, it seems like it's in some kind of low. I mean,
yeah, that's why. Yeah, this
it
is
works like
open
that.
in here. Yeah. So this is the gap like this. It's because of there is a trading. We cannot trade like this. This one, it's traded by a big fund, institution. They have access OTC. Forget what the name is, OTC, but it's aftermarket transaction. It's a big one, so they can doing this one, but we cannot. We only can trade during the market hours. Yeah. So just explain to the audience.
And the orange line is again, so the blue line is like the time for big funds, big players to sell and buy.
Only the bank, blue and the orange.
So, and the orange one is when the market is closed and everyone starts
both actually is closed, but this is the only the big market can do. See like this, the market closed at 4 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
After the close, we cannot trade anymore, but the big money is doing this. That's why they have a chart.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And how much time do they have?
How
many hours do they have in the blue line?
The blue line until the night, actually for the big institution, they can trade 24 hours, so Yeah, because I explain later. This is more complex why they can do it. So this is 4, and then they this is 4 p.m. in the morning. Sorry, 4 a.m. in New York that morning. Actually, because this is the change of the date. And then after that, this is before. This is 9 o'clock and then 9:30.
So and the time from 4 a.m. to 9
Yeah.
a.m. it's time
Yes.
for everyone.
Yeah, for the big one. Yes, for the institution.
Yeah. Okay, and then the market starts, and everyone also can
Yeah, trade.
trade and okay. Сейчас Руби нам показывает другой вид чарта, честно говоря, название которого я забыл. Чарт называется 30 milli. How do you call this chart? 30 milli something?
30 minutes.
30 minutes chart. 30-минутный чарт, как я понял. Могу ошибаться. Но суть его в том, что он делится по цветам. Эти цвета означают периоды работы, грубо говоря. А вот этот вот синий цвет – это цвет… Нет, подождите, неправильно было бы сказать. Не синий цвет, а вот этот вот темно-синий, такой темный цвет – это время работы самой вот этого маркета с 9 до 4 p.m., да, то есть Нью-Йоркская биржа работает по этому времени. Затем маркет закрывается в 4 часа дня, и здесь уже настает время для больших игроков, для больших там вечерных фондов, я не знаю, различных крутых больших дядей, крутых больших корпораций, у которых есть деньги, которые в это время торгуют, а для всех остальных маркет закрыт. И затем в 4 часа утра вот эта вот оранжевая линия, это уже 4 часа утра, когда маркет открывается снова для всех. И вот это оранжевая для всех, и эта оранжевая линия означает с 4 часов утра до 9 часов утра, то есть до начала открытия, опять же, маркета. Тут маркет открывается, мы опять видим то, что время маркета, затем он закрывается в 4 часа дня, и опять открывается вот синяя полоска, да, синее время для уже людей с кучей денег, для различных брокерских фондов, то есть для таких вот больших дядек.
Okay.
Yeah.
I forgot the last one. This one. Please do remember that this is 30-minute chart built on 30 minutes. All right. Can change it on here. See, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So this is 30-minute chart, which is on the 30 minute, it starts from the 00 to 30 minute, and then the next one will be 30 minute to the 00. Or it's been like this. If you start like 9, it's gonna be like 9:00. This is the open, and then the close. So like this, the close will be at 9:30, and then the next candle open will be 9:30 itself, 9:30. And if going up like this, and then the close will be at 10 o'clock. So this chart, yeah, it will be like this is because, you know, the first one is 9:30. It starts from 9:30, close at 10, and then open at 10, another one, and then 10:30. It's always like that.
Cool. Сейчас Руби объяснил, почему, собственно говоря, этот чарт называется 30 minutes чарт, да, то есть это, грубо говоря, потому что вот эти все полоски, да, они означают то, что это 30-минутный промежуток торговли. То есть, грубо говоря, если торговля, естественно, начинается в 9 часов, и в 9 часов получается открытие. И в 9:30 вот этот вот первый бодик, он закрывается, да, открывается новый в 9:30, который длится до 10. Затем в 10 он закрывается, открывается другое в 10, который закрывается в 10:30 и так далее. То есть каждый вот этот вот бодик – это 30-минутный 30-минутный период, в течение которого мы видим изменение цены, да, на какой отметке оно закрывается и открывается.
Right? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. I think this is for now. And I hope you can I hope you already have the don't forget you need the volume. This one is the volume.
Yeah.
So the volume transaction per candle, per chart. So remember this one, yeah. Like this, that means it's already have 7 contract, 715 for what do you call it? 1500, 2300 contract on this price. And this chart, and this volume, each volume is going to be a total transaction. This is every price, the total transaction every price at that time. So this one is from the open until the close. This is the total volume. And this is going to be very important on the chart analysis, right? Because, you will not, you don't know like how much people will buy and sell, like how much people, really want to sell and then buy it if you don't have the volume indicator. So you need the volume, you need the bar chart, but don't use the candle chart first. Try to follow me using the bar chart.
Yeah, and the color. I just want to ask about the color.
Yeah, the color, the best, yeah, the standard one will be, you can change it like this. You just go setting and then up color to white, down color to, white also.
I mean the color of volume.
The color volume, it doesn't matter because this is the default. This is the default. The red one because the bar is down. So just use the, just use the default. So like this, it's growing. I mean, like it's if the price is going up, this is going. This is to be green, right? Let me check. Yes. Yep. Yeah. Like that. Okay.
Okay. Cool. Также нам нужно не забывать о том, что у нас есть объем, и этот объем означает количество контрактов, да, предложений и спроса в течение дня. Can I ask you, is that closed contracts, which means the
Yes,
made
close contract.
Yeah. И это,
Well,
грубо говоря...
actually, if you are, yeah, but this one is daily, is close contract, but on the Monday, it will move again during the price. So it's moved with the price, with the time.
Yeah, okay. И, грубо говоря, вот этот... So I have to translate it again. So, sorry.
Yeah.
И последнее, о чем нам хотел напомнить Руби, это очень важно, это количество контрактов, которые были закрыты в течение дня. Ну и в течение вот действия вот этого вот бодика, вот этой полоски. И это количество контрактов, заключенных в течение дня. Вот, и важно знать их количество для того, чтобы проводить правильный анализ. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, please do make a chart for the white one like this and this one. Have two, just Apple first, because on the next session I will explain about the stock and the index. And before that one, I will explain about any kind of the market. So, like the previous one, I told you that the with this market trading, you can choose whatever it's fit to you. You can choose whatever is favored to you. Because remember, as I explained to you in this beginning of the presentation, that we are the investor not sorry, we are the trader, not the investor, which is like we're trying to find the opportunity. If we have the opportunity on stock, we buy on the stock. If we have an opportunity on the on the forex or Zolota gold, we trade on that one. We will see where is the potential. Some of the people saying that why we not just focus on the one side. I say that better to learn everything than you choose. If you still want to trade everything, then go ahead. But if you think that no, I just want to concentrate on one market, then also go ahead. But to understanding all multiple market, it's very better because like the Apple will not going up by themselves, Zolota also not going up and down just by because the Zolota you have to see on the dollars, you have to see on everything currency, which is the forex also same. It's called intermarket analysis. So most of the market have the connection. Even you are not trading, let's say you want to trade on the gold. Even you don't want to trade on other market, you need to see. So you have to have you need to see another market correlated to the gold. So you have the idea what you want to do, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Just explain
the home
the last one.
task.
Just say again.
Yeah. I'm sorry. No, I interrupted you.
Yeah.
You can continue.
No,
I'll
no,
ask.
it's okay. Just ask me the question.
And the home task is try to build a chart.
Yeah.
This type of chart.
Try to build a chart, but not only on Apple. Just find first Apple and any chart that you like, but still on the US stock.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So that has to be US market stocks.
Yeah, and try to have all the big one. Then I will explain why and
Yeah.
how to trade. Okay.
Okay. Cool. So I'll translate that.
Yeah. Yeah.
И домашним заданием будет составить такие чарты. Sorry, where can we find this kind of charts to make them? Is that some service or app or what is it?
Oh, actually, you just go for TradingView if you know TradingView.
TradingView.
Hang on, just a moment. Let me do it for you.
Oh, TradingView. Yeah, I found
Yeah.
it.
Yep.
It has even
You can
in
see it.
Russian.
Yeah. Do you have it?
I don't have an account, but
Okay, you just open this one for a free, and then you just play around. It's
Okay.
free. All right. Okay.
Окей, cool. И домашним заданием для всех нас, для тех, кто слушает, будет создать несколько таких графиков, желательно с разными компаниями, представленными на американском рынке. Желательно вообще еще круче было бы, если бы эти компании были там из совершенно разных сфер, с разных рынков, то есть с разных сфер рынка, да, финансового. Вот. И задание будет создать такие чарты, и найти и создать такие чарты мы можем бесплатно на TradingView. Вот. Собственно, это и есть домашнее задание. Постарайтесь найти классные, интересные чарты, и дальше уже Руби объяснит, как именно можно торговать и извлекать выгоду. That's it.
Right.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Right. Thank you for now, and we should continue on the next time.
Yeah, cool. Thank you very much. It
Um,
was really informative.
yeah.